guys, check this out. I am 20 hours 35 minutes into the print, 36 minutes now, and this is just one last layer left, guys, here, and this is 99% done. It's just doing there, and that's the last for this piece. Hopefully, as you can see, such tiny dab is left, and boom, guys, it's done here, and it's done, and it's done there as well. And guys, just like that, 100% done. 20 hours and 37 minutes done. That's the faceplate, guys. Let's take it out of the build plate. I'm super duper excited. As you can see, let's just turn this off, and now let's get this off the heated bed plate. Okay guys, I opted for triangle as the infill. This was my first ever, so you know, I went for 12% infill, which was a lot. By the way, this is the free one from Thingiverse. So yeah, let's get this off now. We have it off of the build plate. Now I'll just quickly, you know, remove the support material. If I remove this in front of you, it will be very boring, so let me just remove this and I'll show you the final build, final model. And guys, just like that, for the first time with my first 3D printer, this turned out to be great, absolutely perfect. I don't know why this is a bit more curved. I didn't expect this to be that curved, but no problem. After this, I just sanded it down and applied the paint. There was nothing special to cover, and then I just applied this LED. Okay, so the basic electronics that include two RGB LEDs connected respectively to the Node MCU is done, and now I'll just put some layers to diffuse it, and there we go. And guys, as you can see, I mounted this on the wall besides, you know, my other miniature collection. And guys, this one is a full size, not miniature, by the way. And as you can see, this looks awesome. We can control it through Wi-Fi anywhere in the world. And as you can see, the lights are perfectly diffused. In fact, in real life, it's way more diffused. So as you can see, we can, you know, toggle through the colors on this zebra, and we can easily change the colors of the lights. I can add a few more lights at the bottom or top, but then that won't be movie accurate. So this is the Mk85 faceplate with customizable RGB LED eyes. And the wire coming down is just for the power. As you can see, it's a USB cable that just connects, so nothing special there. And as you can see, the light is also very bright, surprisingly, although it's diffused, and there are just two RGB LEDs. They were of real good quality, and as you can see, the results are in front of you. And as you can see, all the colors are also very vibrant. And now let's, you know, jump onto the app, and I'll show you how this app is connected with the LED. So this is the actual app. You can see the zebra right here. When we click here on the top, and then when we click on the zebra, we can exactly see the pins, so we can assign the values of pins to different colors. Here I've assigned the red color to digital pin 5, and similarly green and blue to 7 and 6 digital pin on the Node MCU respectively. So this app is connected to Node MCU via my house Wi-Fi, and so that's why even if I'm anywhere in this world, provided my house Wi-Fi is working, which of course works, so I'll be able to change the colors. It's a really awesome technology, and I just wanted to show you this app real quick. This video is not sponsored by the app Blink, but it is a really nice app which you can, you know, use to customize stuff with your Node MCU. And so guys, that was pretty much it for this very short and simple video. I really hope you enjoyed and liked the colored faceplate.